Hold it. Look at your puppy. She
That's how you always hold a dog, right? Aww.
Wow. So Is this your favorite gift you've ever gotten? What are you gonna name it? Gilbert?
GK.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll say thank you so much, Belloc. You're the best.